Tyrelelo. Today we are replacing tire for i10 Sportz, and the tire profile will be 155 80/30, and we have selected Apollo Amazer 4G Life. The reason we have selected Apollo 4G Life because customer wanted to go with the Apollo, and Apollo provides unconditional warranty on this pattern for 2 years. So stay tuned for the installation journey with us. Thank you. So I am with Mr. Sridhar sir. He is the happy customer of Apollo. So we'll take a feedback. Why sir choose Apollo? Sir.
Yeah, actually I had gone through so many times going for a research. So I found that Apollo is an Indian brand. Then I feel like from most of the customer reviews I felt that Apollo is the best tire to replace for my car.
Yes. And you have unconditional warranty on the Apollo tire. So if you have any kind of physical cut, that is also covered under Apollo if you buy Apollo Amazer 4G Life. I hope you liked our services, sir.
Yeah. Actually it was really good. When I visited your store, the time I have chosen, I want to replace it from your this time only. Then how you approached me, continuously following me up, when you are coming, sir. These kind of things really for a flow, it's really a good thing.
Thank you.
Appreciate your service.
Thank you for the feedback. I hope you will recommend us to many more.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.